guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will show you how to create intro and outro videos on your smartphone or even PC, okay, using 3 different kinds of sites. Okay, so that's it. Please, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell icon so you get notified whenever I drop awesome videos like this, okay. And also, every time I send this video, you can find them linked in the description box below. So let's dive into it. This is the name of the site. The name of the first site I'll be showing you guys. The site is called Flixpress. Okay, so what you have to do is to come to your search bar and type in Flixpress. Okay, I'll click on Flixpress login because I already have an account with them. So I'll dive straight and log into my account. Alright, once you log in, firstly you have to sign up. But since I already have an account, that's the reason why I head straight to login. Okay, after you have logged in, this is what the dashboard interface looks like. Okay, this Flixpress, if you want to turn this to a full job, if you're a content creator and you want to go ahead and start creating this for companies or businesses, then you can upgrade. Hope you can see the section where they wrote upgrade, so you can go ahead and upgrade so you can access all the features. But there is also a free plan that you can use to create short intros. Okay, so that's how it works. You can, with this site, you can create intros, slideshow, promo, special occasion, and a lot of templates are available. So I'll go ahead and choose any of these templates I want to use for my design. Okay, so let me go ahead and choose this one. Let's work on this. Hope you can see. Hope you can see what the preview looks like. Okay, so let's go ahead and edit this. To edit this, come down to customize now. Okay, on customize now, you can choose the resolution. You can go ahead and use 720p for the resolution. Then for the top line, you can use let's use satellites. Media. That's what we use for our top line. For the main title, okay, for the main title, I'll use satellite media. Sorry, for the main title. And this should be welcome. Let's use welcome to let's use sites like this. Then the bottom line should be media. I think that will be more okay. So that's it. Let's go ahead and create preview. Okay, or if you want to save out this video, let's click on submit now to submit others so we can create out this video. But let's go ahead and preview to see what it looks like. All right, this video has started generating. Okay, we have started generating the previews. Okay, it will take some time, but it doesn't take much time. Okay, so as it's still generating, firstly we have created an intro videos. Let's go ahead and create the outro video. Okay, to create the outro video, what you have to do is you come back to your the home page, and you can select another template you want to use for outro. Okay, so I will go ahead and choose this cinema intro for the template. Okay, this is the template I want to use for my ads row. So I will click on customize now. Okay, on the color section you can choose the color you want it to bear. Okay, you can select any of the color, but I will go ahead, I prefer this blue. So for the top line, we can also use satellite gist. Media for the top line, while for the bottom line you can choose let's say home of skills and creativity. I think that's okay. Also choose the 720 resolution. So once you have done that, let's go ahead and click on submit order so you can save out this video. Hope you see what they said. You're about to place an order which you use 0 minutes of your monthly blah, blah, blah. So let's go ahead and click on yes, place order. Alright, this video has started processing, so let's go ahead and check out the first video, the intro video that we created. Okay, so what you have to do is you come to my previews. Alright, this is my preview. I think the video is ready. Let's click to preview to see what it looks like. Hope you can see how awesome how it looks. You can see how wonderful this video looks like. So this creates your intro videos. So let's go ahead and place order so we can download this video. Okay, alright, it has started processing. Let's go ahead and download the actual video that we created. My orders, that's where you after you're done placing an order, okay, that's my orders, that's where you go ahead to download. Okay, so this is the download section, but let's click to preview the video, the actual video that we created. Hope you can see how amazing this looks like. So that's outro and intro videos for your videos. Okay, so that's how you go about it. There are other templates on this site, so later you can go ahead and explore all these templates and choose the one you need to for your design. Okay, so that's it. I will dash straight to the second site that you can use to create intro and outro videos. Okay, so let me go ahead and upload it. Alright, it's a popular site. The name of the site is Placeit. Okay, this site is owned by Everton. Okay, so this is the name of the site, Placeit. You can use this site to create a lot of templates. Okay, this is more advanced than the first site I showed you guys. There are a lot of things you can use this site to create for mockups, logos, design templates, text animations, Instagram stories. There are a lot of them, and it also has a free version and also a premium version. The free version, you can go ahead and create videos, but the videos will contain what we call watermark. Okay, but when you subscribe or upgrade, you can see the pricing section. That's where you upgrade, okay, to register for a plan. You can go ahead and create unlimited videos without Watermark, and also access most of the features. So if you're a content creator and you know you make money using this scale, then you can go ahead to access the or upgrade to the paid version, so you get access to most of these premium templates. So we can go ahead on this section. There are a lot of templates, like I said earlier on, so you can go ahead to explore them. Okay, you can go ahead to explore them. You can use we hope you have seen the mockup section. Yes, you can create mockup, free mockups, transparent mockup. There are a lot of features available here, so you can go ahead to check them out. Okay, I don't want this video to be long. If not, I could have moved straight to show you how. Just let's say we want to create a logo, or let's say intro videos. Yes. All right, it's loading. Hope you have seen. These are for intro videos. Okay, these are for intro videos, so you can select any of the templates, edit and work on it. Okay, so this site is more advanced. Okay, Placeit is more advanced than the previous website, so there are a lot of things you can create: templates, videos, logo videos, and this animation is brought. Just come down here on the search section and search for it. Okay, so that's how you go about that. So the third website we are going to use to create intro and outro videos is also it's a popular site. Let me search for it. It's a popular site known as invideo. Okay, invideo.io. That's the third site we can use to create awesome intros and outro videos. Okay, so let's go ahead to explore this site to see what we can create using this site. We can create brand video promo videos, long form ads, branding templates, product video ads, orders and coupons, video presentations. So there are a lot of videos that we can create using this site. Okay, so hope you have seen the templates. So these are the kinds of videos you can create: intros and logo reviews, video ads. This is for video ads. This is for video ads, while this is for intros and logo reviews. So let's go ahead and check out the intros and video ads. Okay, to see what we got. So firstly, on this section, what you have to consider while when proceeding, select the video format. Okay, this is 16:9. That is for YouTube. Okay, YouTube video, while the 1:1 square is for Facebook. If you think of where you're publishing this video, if you're publishing this on a Facebook, then you will go for the 1:1 square, while for the vertical is for Instagram. If you're publishing video on Instagram, then you select this video format. But since I'm publishing this on YouTube, I'll leave it as at 16:9. Then go ahead and choose any of these templates. Okay, any of these templates. More are still loading. Okay, so let's give some time. All right, I'll go ahead and use this. Let me choose this to see, or let's say this to see what it looks like. All right, after you have done that, what you have to do now is to click on use template. So let's give this some time to load. All right, so this is the editing section. Okay, this is the editing section where you get to customize your scenes and play around with some of the tools on this site. Okay, so let's first preview this site. preview the video template that we added. Let's preview this to see what it looks like. Okay, what you have to do is to come down to the play section and click on play. Let's see what we got. Hope you see how amazing that looks like. So that's it. On the circular section, that's where you add your logo image. While on the under it, that's where you add the title of your company or whatever. Then the social media buttons, that was where you edit them and add your Facebook usernames, okay, your social media platform user handles, okay, or username. That's what you have to do. Why the invideo watermark, I don't know if you can see that, but let me zoom this so you can see that. Hope you can see it now. So the invideo watermark is for that's the watermark. If actually you went for the upgraded version, then this invideo watermark will be removed. So what I normally do is we can go ahead and use an editing software, be it in short or a VN editor, any of them. You can go ahead to edit this, okay, so this won't be showing your video. So that's how to create awesome intros and outro videos. Also video as YouTube, there are a lot of, they have a lot of features that have been reviewed on this video, so you can go ahead and explore them and use them for your video designs. Okay, so that's it. All right, if you really find video in this video, please appreciate you give it a like, hit the like button and subscribe, okay, and also click on the notification bell icon so you get notified whenever we drop awesome content like this. Okay, so that's it. See you on the next one.